Colt pistols are iconic symbols of American ingenuity and craftsmanship with a rich history dating back over 150 years. From their origins as a frontier staple to their modern use in law enforcement, military, and civilian contexts, Colt pistols have long been a staple in the firearms world. The timeless designs of Colt pistols, like the 1911 and Anaconda, have stood the test of time, but in recent years, Colt has pushed the envelope with modern innovations, creating new pistols that are lighter, more accurate, and more versatile. Colt pistols have been used in countless Hollywood films, from classic westerns like The Good, the Bad, and the Ugly to modern action flicks like John Wick. Today, we're delving into the top 5 best Colt pistols of 2024. We promise you're gonna love the list we've taken the time to put together. And just so you know, this is the home of exclusive gun-tastic content, so do subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out. Now let's talk guns. The 1911 government model is a classic single-action semi-automatic pistol that's been in production since 1911. Designed by John Browning with a baseline model typically retailing for around $800 to $1,000, this pistol was adopted by the U.S. military as the standard sidearm for over 70 years and has been in service with law enforcement and civilian shooters for even longer. With its sleek design, reliable performance, and impressive accuracy, the 1911 government model has become a cultural icon, appearing in countless films and video games and inspiring countless imitations and variants from other manufacturers. The 1911 was developed in response to the U.S. military's need for a more powerful pistol that could effectively stop charging enemies during the Philippine-American War. The pistol's design has remained largely unchanged since its inception, with only minor improvements and updates over the years. The 1911 trigger design is widely regarded as one of the best in the world, with a crisp short trigger pull that allows for fast and accurate shooting. The 1911's rugged design has made it a favorite among Special Forces units from around the world, including the Navy SEALs, who often choose customized 1911s for their missions. The Colt M45A1 CQBP, or Close Quarters Combat Pistol, is a modernized version of the classic 1911 design specifically developed for use by the U.S. Marine Corps. This pistol is usually priced between $2,000 and $3,000 depending on the retailer and any customizations. Designed for harsh battlefield conditions, the M45A1 features several enhancements over the traditional 1911, including a corrosion-resistant coating, an accessory rail for mounting lights or lasers, and a flared magwell for faster reloading. The M45A1 is chambered in .45 ACP, the same caliber as the original 1911, and is capable of delivering precise, hard-hitting shots at close range. The M45A1 CQBP was developed by Colt in response to the U.S. Marine Corps' search for a new, more reliable sidearm for its troops. The Marines put the M45A1 through some of its toughest tests imaginable, including a grueling 30,000-round endurance test, and it passed with flying colors. The M45A1 features a match-grade barrel and a night sight for low-light shooting, making it a versatile and capable sidearm for close-quarters combat. One of the most impressive features of the M45A1 is its ability to withstand extreme conditions and abuse. If you stuck around till this point, then I'm sure you're already enjoying the video. If so, then please smash that thumbs up to let us know. The Colt Mustang Pocketlite is a compact and lightweight semi-automatic pistol designed for concealed carry and self-defense. Originally introduced in the 1980s and that retailed for around $600 to $800, the Pocketlite was recently reintroduced by Colt with some modern upgrades. Chambered in .380 ACP, the Pocketlite is lightweight and comfortable to carry, with a slim profile that makes it easy to conceal in a pocket or waistband. The Pocketlite's small size and lightweight construction make it a popular choice for those who want a handgun that's easy to carry without compromising on power or reliability. At just 12.5 ounces, it's one of the lightest pistols in its class, making it ideal for pocket carry or backup use. In addition to its compact size, the Pocketlite also features a snag-free design with no external hammers or safeties, allowing for quick and easy drawing from concealment. The Pocketlite's simplicity is one of its most compelling features. With a hammerless design and a fixed barrel system, there are a few moving parts to worry about, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer a no-frills approach to concealed carry. The Colt Defender SS, or stainless steel, is a modern take on the classic 1911 design, offering a compact and lightweight package that's perfect for concealed carry and self-defense. It costs between $1,000 to $1,200, and chambered in 45 ACP, the Defender SS boasts a 3-inch barrel and an overall length of just 6.75 inches, making it one of the most compact 1911s on the market. The stainless steel construction and dual spring recoil system make the Defender SS a durable and reliable option for those who want a no-nonsense sidearm that will perform when it counts. One of the most notable features of the Defender SS is its slim profile, which makes it easy to conceal and carry even in tight-fitting clothing. The pistol's single-stack magazine holds up to 7 rounds of 45 ACP, providing enough firepower for most self-defense situations without adding too much bulk or weight. The Defender SS also features an ergonomic grip with a wraparound design, providing a secure hold even with sweaty hands. And with Novak sights and a beaver tail grip safety, the Defender SS is easy to shoot accurately and safely under stress. Bonus tip time. When choosing a concealed carry holster, opt for a high-quality, purpose-built holster designed for your specific pistol. Cheap or poorly made holsters can wear down over time, lose their retention, or even damage your pistol. Investing in a high-quality holster from a reputable manufacturer will ensure that your pistol is secure, comfortable to carry, and readily accessible when you need it most. Remember, the right holster can make all the difference when it comes to concealed carry. The Colt 1911A1 is a timeless classic that needs no introduction. Originally designed for the US military with a price range of $800 to $1,200, this legendary handgun has been in production for over a century and remains one of the most popular pistols on the market. Featuring a 5-inch barrel, single-action trigger, and a 7-round magazine, the 1911A1 is renowned for its accuracy, reliability, and dependability. While there are many imitations on the market, the Colt 1911A1 remains the gold standard for 1911 pistols, with a reputation for craftsmanship and durability that's virtually unmatched in the industry. The 1911A1 single-action trigger provides a crisp short pull that makes it easy to shoot accurately and consistently. The pistol's grip angle is perfectly balanced, providing a natural point of aim that's comfortable and intuitive for most shooters. The 1911A1's hammer-fired operation is known for its reliability, making it a popular choice for both personal protection and competition shooting. The 1911A1 was used by U.S. forces in both World Wars, earning it the nickname "the gun that won 2 world wars." Many famous figures, including General George S. Patton, President Theodore Roosevelt, and actor John Wayne, owned and carried 1911s. And that concludes our journey through the world of Colt pistols. From the timeless 1911A1 series to the sleek and compact Defender SS, each of these handguns represents the pinnacle of American craftsmanship and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and share it with your friends and fellow gun enthusiasts. And remember, always handle firearms safely and responsibly, and never stop exploring the fascinating world of shooting sports. Until next time, keep your sights ready, and thanks for watching.